boys, the only way to get home, you gotta eat a whole entire orange, peel and everything. We're about to give it a go.
We're headed to probably the biggest lacrosse tournament in the world, arguably.
And it's cold and I wore shorts, so let's get out of here. We just arrived. Now it's time to set up. For those of you who watched last year's video, you know that we have 3 setups at this venue. So we're gonna have our main location, which is gonna get the most traction, and we got 2 outlet locations. So we're gonna set those up after.
Dude, I can never take myself serious in the camera.
So this guy is brand new. Wall ball tea oatmeal. Come grab it before it's gone.
My guess is you would have.
Setup one's finished, so now he's got to do it 2 more times.
You good? Oh, that was kind of scary. Got munched.
It's about how high Merritt got. And he fell.
2 down. This is the 3rd. See you at the Airbnb. Setup 3 is done. We are gonna go ditch our trailer and then we're gonna make dinner because we're starving.
We just rolled up to the Airbnb. I got my shirt full of goodies.
Good morning, welcome to day 2. We are headed to the venue and we're gonna go finish getting ready to rock for day 1.
Alright boys, the only way to get home, you gotta eat a whole entire orange, peel and everything, in 1 bite too. Not that high, bro.
Dude, I couldn't chew.
You good now?
Worst thing I've ever done in my life. 0 out of 10. Do not recommend.
That's crazy. It's like whole body shakes.
I couldn't chew it. I couldn't get my mouth wide enough to bite it.
That's crazy. So I'm about to do it with this thing.
Packing up, going home for the night, end of day 1.
We just got back. We have burgers on the menu tonight.
How are they?
I've seen the Liver King.
A little medium, but it's alright.
Mine was a 9 out of 10 until John stuck his finger through it. Now it's like a 6.
Justin. Whoop. It was a little too rare.
I do love to say sometimes.
Been pretty busy the whole entire day.
What's going on, John?
We got murdered.
How many people are in the tent? Not as many as before, but we were getting slammed. I had to call on the big man with behind the cam to clutch up. It has been extremely busy. It's slowing down a little bit right now. We're at about another 45 minutes probably. We'll start tearing down and then we're getting out of here. We're finally packed up. Took about 2 hours. It's honestly quicker than I thought it'd go. We're gonna drive to Cedar City. It's like 7 hours away. All right, we just got to the hotel. It's 3:30 in the morning. We're going to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Last night was super long. We drove from Indio to Cedar City. It was like a 7-hour drive. We didn't get on the road till almost 7 p.m. last night. Rolled in at about 3:30, crashed, and then now we're just crushing some breakfast.
That is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for all the support this weekend, and thank you to everybody who's tuning in for this video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Ball's gone, dude. We're not getting it back.